What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. And today we have a very special guest. We have Carl the Moon, bro. So thank you very much for showing up on the channel. I appreciate it.
Hey, bro. Thank you so much for having me on. How are you, bro?
Bro, I'm amazing. It's happy to finally be a bull market. And it's crazy because I've been using one of the charts from your show, actually, the one that breaks down the market cycles. And we've hit it to perfection. And now, obviously, we're getting into like mid caps, altcoins, and everything's starting to go a bit crazy. So it'll be great to share some of your expertise with TA and kind of see what your opinions are on the next steps of the market.
Yeah. I mean, let me share my screen and I will show you what I'm seeing for the next few days and weeks here. So, what I would say right now is that it's very obvious that we're seeing a kind of rising wedge here. As you can see, this is on Bitcoin. And rising wedges are, in fact, usually bearish patterns. And we do have also a bearish divergence showing up here. If we pull out the RSI, you can see here that there is indeed a bearish divergence. So I think, we're looking quite bullish. Bitcoin is looking healthy. I still think there's a risk that Bitcoin could, we could pump up to 40K. And then I think we could come down to 31K to retest some previous very important resistance. Look at this, massive resistance. And price usually likes to come back and retest previous resistance as new support. That would be very healthy, and I would love to see that. If we see this, then it will just make me even more confident in this uptrend. We do have an uptrend, of course. We have higher highs, higher lows, as you can see here. So this is very bullish. So even if we go down to 31K, that would still be another higher low and would still be bullish. And if we can keep climbing like this, would be incredible towards the halving. And then after the halving, I'm expecting a massive run. And I have my long position open right now. It's a 20x leverage trade. Currently, these are my profits here. Nothing big right now. I have a few positions on BYBIT as well. This is my BITFLEX account. But I took $17,000 off the table. And I also have another $18,000 here as unrealized profit and loss on this position. But yeah, I took a quick trade there just for the sake of, catching a moment. I also have these trades over on BitFlex right now. I actually shorted BNB, made a little bit of money on
Nice. You
that.
caught that as well.
Yeah, just $1,000 there. XRP, long position, made a few $1,000s, nothing much. Ethereum also made like, a few $1,000s there. But I would say Bitcoin is where I'm looking to scale in more if we break further. I could imagine I double down on my position. If we break down, however, here, I'm going to wait until we reach 31K. And here, I'm going to add a bunch to my position so we can fly higher later.
It's very wise, man. I mean, on your other account, I've been following your channel, obviously, every time you do an upload, and you enter like huge positions, bro, on these pullbacks, like with absolute confidence. And it's interesting because I watch those videos, and even I'll be sat there and I'll be like, oh man, I'm not too sure. We might go down further. And then 2 weeks later, I see the video like, yeah, I told you so. I'm up, 100 grand. You know what I mean? I like it, bro. And it goes to show that you have a lot of conviction in Bitcoin. So another thing that I know a lot of my followers will want to ask you is, what is your long-term predictions for Bitcoin? And when are you like around about looking to take profit?
So right now, I'm just accumulating. Every single week, I'm accumulating more and more. And sometimes I take profits and I put them into Bitcoin. My end goal now is to just accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible, so that in the bull market I can convert my Bitcoin into things that I want, need, or want to invest in. So could be real estate, could be watches, could be cars. Buying watches, for example, with crypto is a great way here in Dubai. It's a great way of storing wealth instead of USDT. So if I don't want to hold Bitcoin, which I do, but if I want to take profits, I would buy things that maintain value. Should be then watches, real estate, even cars. Like if you buy a Porsche Carrera GT or a Ferrari Enzo, for example, it will maintain the value quite well, I think. So those are the kind of things I will buy in the bull market.
It's smart, man. It's
But I,
smart.
yeah, but I'm waiting for Bitcoin to go at least 100,000 up to $500,000. That's the range where I'm gonna be liquidating some Bitcoin.
Yeah, makes sense. It's a smart decision. I mean, I was watching a chart, right? And it was a chart showing long-term holders and short-term holders. And whenever the short-term holders started buying more Bitcoin, it was always the top. And whenever the long-term addresses started accumulating more Bitcoin, it was always right before the rally. So it makes sense. Like you're a long-term holder. As soon as you start taking profit, will be the time when everybody wants to start talking about Bitcoin and getting back involved.
Indeed, indeed. Yeah, I think right now it's the time to accumulate altcoins, Bitcoin, and also invest in your own business. Like if you can build a business now in the bull market, it's gonna fly. So, um, you know, um, yeah, I'm super bullish. Like honestly, crypto is just about to fly, and I'm super excited.
Yeah. How many cycles have you been in crypto for now?
I jumped in middle 17, so this is my second cycle now. So in 17, I went for the up and the down, and then I went for the up and the down again, and now we're about to get the next third up. So I'm about to witness my third cycle.
That's crazy, bro. Super inspiring, man. Well, look, we'll keep this one short. Guys, I'm going to be doing a video on Carl's channel. We're going to record this next. I'll be going through some of the altcoins that I'm looking at in the crypto gaming space that will take the gaming space by storm. Me and Carl were just discussing. There was a few, which if you caught them at $1 million market cap, you'd already be up 30x right now. And the next ones, if you catch them, you might be looking at least 100x on those gains. So make sure you go check out Carl's channel. I'll have the video on there. And Carl, thank you very much for coming, my bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. And subscribe to Tyrell right now.